What do students learn in the high school grades at Spirit of Math? In just 3 years, they established the foundation for post-secondary success. Grade 9 includes a review of geometry and algebra, including factoring polynomials and graphing techniques. Grade 10 focuses on trigonometry, logarithms, complex numbers, and polar coordinates. And Grade 11 covers calculus at a level equivalent to first-year university, including limits, derivatives, implicit and partial differentiation, integrals, and applications. Our approach to senior-level math takes a balanced approach, with a high priority on student engagement, and empowering our students to think creatively and analytically. We include cooperative group work in every class so students strengthen their communication, independent thought, and presentation skills. Problem solving continues to be a key way to build resilience and critical thinking, with students working together in pairs and fours, as well as on independent assignments. Written drills are now mental math problems by students as a way to close out the weekly class. Our high school program is about more than just math. It's about learning how to learn, how to face challenges, and how to work with others. And we use it to promote cooperation, inspire confidence, and release the genius in every child.